How to find link in bio on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply go to search bar and search for the username of the persons you want to see bio. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. If there is any link in their bio, you'll find this kind of link pop up. Simply click on it and link will lead you to what is in that link. You can also go to their profile and then simply scroll up to the story and it will lead you to the link in bio if they have added it in their video. This is how to find link in bio on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.